So day 2 of setup for the third and final pour. As you can see, we've got all the drains moved that needed to be moved. We put in a final one right here for the outdoor shower that was not included. We adjusted the forms a total of 7 inches that were miscalculated, as I said the other day, by parties we do not speak about anymore. I've been forbidden to. So let me turn you around here, and tomorrow morning we're pouring cement. Yeah, here we are. Today's weather was a bit challenging. We had cold this morning, then we had some rain, and then we had some hail. It looks like it freaking snowed out here, which I'll show you a couple pictures. But now it's sunset. I'm going to have a beer, a warm shower because I am wet from the knees down from working in the mud and then hosing mud off of the existing slab. And something that I haven't talked about that occurred on Sunday, which I'll include some pictures as well, is Sage, my brown dog. We believe she got bit by a snake. What kind of snake, I don't know. I didn't see it happen. She was behind me. We were up on those mountains back there. We ended up having to make a mountain rescue. I know it sounds funny, but she just stopped. She wouldn't go anymore. And I didn't realize it was a snake bite. I thought she just slipped and fell into the cactus. But she just stopped coming down the trail. Thank goodness I had my friend here. She went and got the ATV, and we had to carry her down on the ATV. My bad, I know. After cleaning her up, the wound, her leg up and stuff like that, it didn't look that bad to me. I did not take her directly to the vet. My bad. I feel bad about it, but it is what it is now. So anyways, she's doing well now. She actually ate a meal, and I'll show you some pictures of her bandage and stuff like that. And she's still got a lot of swelling. Is a little bit slow moving still, but she's on the mend. She's got one piece of I guess one area on her leg that's a little iffy, where the vet said that she probably that's where the snake hit her, and the rest was done by scrapes and cactus when she fell. So watch out when you're out there hiking with your buddies. It's snake season. So I'll get back to you when we get the pour going. So thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And share with your friends. Subscribe. Do all the good things that we all need to do to support our families and friends. So we'll get back to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. So here we are the day after the third and final pour, and voila, I have a slab for the Quonset. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what we got. There it is. This is the one that had all the drains for the sinks and toilets and showers. So this, as you can tell, it's a different color than the rest. But this is the final product. I call it the dream team that did it yesterday. My friend that's here visiting, and Steve and myself, the three of us did it without a hitch. No problem, 45 minutes, because the cement company only gives you an hour to get it off the truck. And we did it in 45. And next week I will start laying out the side rails that the actual arches will start hooking into, and get those attached to the cement, and continue moving forward as best as I can. I'm excited, so wish us luck out here. So final product, and just finished taking off all the forms, and it might well be the best piece of it with the dream team doing the work. So thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thanks a bunch. I'll get back to you.